Hi guys, I'm your host for channel Monticello Solution. Today we are going to learn about the pouring water to 3 classes.
Thanks, little host. Yes, we have brought here this activity for your child, and through this presentation a child learned the calculation, and this will also be helpful in child's practical life. So this is very important activity, and it is very easy because you have glasses at home, you have jug at home, you can do it at anywhere and at every time. So how to make this illustration? We have made this tray with the formic sheet, and here is a plastic mat, and this is a duster. We use the apron here in this activity. And in second step, we have placed the mat here, and this is a tray, and you put the tray over the mat and you start the presentation. Okay, what material we used in it? We used a plastic mat, a tray, a jug, 3 glasses, a duster. And now we have taken the consent of the child, and while wearing apron, we have brought the material with the help of child. And now the child is going to place the mat first. And after placing the mat, a child is going to bring the water. Okay, let's start the presentation. First, you hold the jug like that, and then fill the 1 glass, then 2nd glass, and then 3rd glass. Now I am inviting the child to do the same presentation. Now, how to wind up the presentation? When the child has finished the activity, dispose of the water, replace the duster with a new one, and ask the child to fold the mat. Keep the material back to its place. Give the chance to your child to do this presentation again and again until he learns completely how to pour the water into 3 glasses equally.
I learned the pouring water. If you want to learn the pouring water, so subscribe our channel. Stay tuned with Montessori Station. Thank you. Bye-bye.